Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. As you can see, on the left side will be the picture of charming man who is sitting like this, and also there's the candles during the serenity or the tranquil situation inside the wooden cabin. And after using the special prompt, this tranquility can be totally transformed into this pose of this man who is facing the storm waves, and also the located will be on a sea during the sunrise. How to create this photo transformation? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can access this Nano banana, and here I am using it into this Google AI Studio. And don't worry, because you can use your another favorite AI, and after that you can start to put the picture from your device, for example this one, and after that you can put this prompt like this. Basically the prompt gonna be sound like this: transform this image into the dramatic and rush scene featuring a strong bearded man partially submerged onto the ocean water. And also he now has a determined or intense expression, looking off to his right on the viewer's left, and also with the dark and wet button-up shirt clinging to this muscular physique. And also the water droplets are visible on his shirt and skin, and the background features a dramatic sunset or sunrise over the stormy sea with the dark rocky cliffs, and also a powerful waves crashing, and also creating a sense of raw nature and epic scale. And also the lighting should be striking, and with the warm hues of the sun contrasting with the dark, moody tones of the water and rocks, and also highlighting the man's figure. Overall, the atmosphere should be powerful, adventurous, and intense. So you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here. Basically, this is the same prompt that I used before to create this photo transformation, guys. But maybe you will have the possibility to have a little bit different look, but maybe it is about the angle or the large of this wave, for example like this. And if you like it, then you can start to download it, and it will be officially saved into your device. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.